Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to create a private Discord channel. So open your Discord application, or you can also go to its website, which is discord.com. Log into your specific account and navigate to the server where you wish to create a private channel. Then click on the plus icon next to the category, or right click on the category and select create channel option. It can be text channel or the voice channel, whatever you prefer. I'm going to go ahead and open a text channel. So once you do that, you also have the option to select either text, voice, or form. Then after enter your channel name, let's name it private. And now toggle this option beside private channel. Go ahead and toggle this option on, and only the selected members and roles will be able to view this channel. Click on next from the bottom, and you can add members or roles if you like. Then select create channel from the bottom, which is highlighted in purple color. To make the channel completely invisible to others, you need to access the channel settings. Click on this gear icon right here. Now go to the permissions section, go to the view channel option, and select this cross icon right here. Save the changes and you'll be done. Now only the members or the roles you have explicitly allowed will be able to see and access your private channel. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.